How to check surjection? Okay. देखो बाइजेक्शन क्या होता है? A function is said to be bijection or bijective if it is both one one and on two. Okay. तो फॉर बाइजेक्शन क्या होना चाहिए? वन वन भी होना चाहिए। वन वन मीन्स इंजेक्टिव भी होना चाहिए और सर्जेक्टिव भी होना चाहिए। मतलब जो दोनों फंक्शन अभी तक पढ़ चुके हो, अगर वो दोनों सेटिस्फाइड कर रहा है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड बाइजेक्शन फंक्शन, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्रूव दैट प्रूव दैट एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस थ्री अपॉन एक्स माइनस वन is bijective. So how will you prove that? First of all, you have to prove that is injective, right ना? तो पहले तो मुझे प्रूफ करना है कि ये इंजेक्टिव है, इसके बाद बताना है कि ये सर्जेक्टिव है। तो यस, फर्स्ट वी प्रूफ, यस, फर्स्ट वी प्रूव एफ इज वन वन आर इंजेक्टिव, दोनों में से कोई भी नाम दे सकते हो। ओके। सो फॉर वन वन कंडीशन क्या होना चाहिए? एफ एक्स वन इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स टू इम्प्लाइज एक्स वन इज इक्वल टू एक्स टू। Okay, let's start. Fx1 is what? X1 plus 3 upon X1 minus 1. X2 plus 3, X2 minus 1. Do cross multiplication. X1, X2 minus X1, 3X2 minus 3. X1, X2 minus X2, 3X1 minus 3. Minus 3 cancel from both side, right? So X2 को मैं इधर लाऊंगा, क्या होगा? 4X2 हो जाएगा। This minus X2 becomes plus 4 4 cancel X2. So you can say F is, therefore F is 1 1. Understood? Yes. Now we will check whether this is 1 2 or not. Before proving the function is on 2, what we will do? First we find inverse function. Okay? Find inverse function. How to find inverse function? Let consider this is y. Do cross multiplication. Take x on one side and y on opposite side. Take x common. And after this, what I told you, replace f with, sorry, x with f inverse x and y with x, right? Okay, right? And you can see one thing, you can observe one thing, fx and f inverse are same, right? Yes. Very important point, whenever you can note down here, when fx is equal to f inverse x, then 100% you say that f is bijective. This is one important theorem. Okay. but we will prove. Okay, after finding f inverse x, what you will prove? You will prove second condition. What is second condition? For on to यू कैन यूज डायरेक्टली. ओके, तो अगर कभी भी फंक्शन और उसका इनवर्स सेम रहे तो वो होता है बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन. बट अगर हमको थ्योरम नहीं पता है तो हम पूरा करेंगे. राइट. डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. तो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन आई राइट डायरेक्टली x1 इज इक्वल टू x2. ओके, तो f इज 1 2. So you can write here since f is 1 1 and onto both, hence f is bijective. Understood? Note this point. Is this bijective? It is 1 1, right? Because every domain has its one unique image. But it is not surjective because 0 has no pre-image. Right? This is not surjective, no bijective, but 1 1 है. This is not function. Why? Because y has no image. Right? Very important point. Note this. If number of element in A is less than number of element in B, then this is not surjective. For example, yes, there are 3 element and there are 4 element. So this is not surjective. If number of element in A is greater than number of element in B, this is not injective. तो अगर नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट सेम रहेगा देन ओनली यू कैन से कि बाइजेक्टिव हो सकता है, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. ओके, नोट दिस पॉइंट. यस, नोट दिस पॉइंट. Write one more point. If number of A is equal to number of B, then F is bijective. Write with example. Noted? See, this is not a function. Why? Because A has two image. This is not a function because C has no image. Yes. This is a function because 4, yes, yes. 4 has two image. It is possible. Injective, I told you already. This is injective, not surjective. Why? Because number of element B is greater than number of element A. This is not injective. Why? Because number of element is right. This is injective and surjective both. So you can say this is bijective. Because number of element in A is equal to number of element in B, right? This is not injective nor surjective. Why not surjective? Because 3 has no pre-image. And why it is not injective? See, B and C both form image 4, right? Yes. Understood? Bijective, I told you, right? It means if no inverse exists, then bijection is not possible. Understood? Yes. What is inverse function? A function from A to B is inverse if दिस इज कॉल्ड इनवर्स फंक्शन। तो एफ को मैं इधर कर दूंगा, इनवर्स फंक्शन हो जाएगा। ओके। यस। आगे चले। सी दिस इज इनवर्स फंक्शन। सो ए बी सी डी, 1 2 3 4। सी f of a is 1, you can write f. Okay. F of b is 3, f of c is 4, f of d is 2। तो अगर इसको इनवर्स में लिखना रहेगा तो कैसे लिखोगे? तो डायरेक्शन उल्टा हो जाएगा, राइट? एफ इनवर्स ए बी सी डी, ए उल्टा हो जाएगा, बी उल्टा हो जाएगा, राइट? सी का भी उल्टा हो जाएगा। तो एफ इनवर्स 1 विल बी व्हाट? ए। एफ इनवर्स 3 विल बी व्हाट? बी। एफ इन 4 इज इक्वल टू सी, राइट? यस। So you can see domain is A, B, C, D. Codomain is 1 2 3 4. Right? Range is 1 2 3 4. Right? Yes. If domain, sorry, if codomain is equal to range, then F is bijective. This is very important. अगर कोडोमेन और रेंज सेम है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? बाइजेक्टिव बोलेंगे। So this function is bijective. Why bijective? Because each codomain, sorry, each domain have unique image, right? Like this. You can see here. For every A, B, C, D have images, right? Na? And each codomain have unique pre-image. Okay, you can see here. Every codomain has unique pre-image, right? So what is bijective? If each domain and codomain exist, then you can say this is bijective function. Note this point. Yes. See this. Check whether fx is equal to x square is bijective. Okay. So first we will find what? Invertible function. Okay. Yes, yes. Hello. Hmm. Screen visible. Screen visible. स्क्रीन दिख रहा है? ओके. चेक करना है दिस फंक्शन इज बाइजेक्टिव और इंजेक्टिव और सर्जेक्टिव. ओके. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड व्हाट? इनवर्टिबल फंक्शन. राइट. What is invertible function? Inverse function is called invertible function. So what is the value of x? Root y. And after this, replace x with, right? So f is not equal to f inverse, right? You cannot say guaranteedly that this is bijective function. Understood? Yes. Now see, first we check what to prove this is 1 1. So what is the condition of 1 1? Implies x1 is equal to x2. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b, right? So from here you will get what? Plus minus x2. I wrote directly, right? Which implies what? F is not 1 1. If f is not 1 1, need not to go further. Okay, you can say directly f is not bijective. Okay, so if any one of the condition 1 1 or 1 2 fails, then you can say this is not bijective. But we will check whether this is surjective or not. Okay, for 1 2. Yes, this is bijective, right? Sorry, surjective. This is surjective, but not injective, right? Function is not 1 1, but function is onto, hence f is not bijective. For bijective, it must be both 1 1 and onto both. Okay, not this one. Composition of function. Okay. Composition of function means function within a function. Okay. For example, this is a function. This is another function g. So जब इसको तुम मिला दोगे तो इस यू कैन से एफ ऑफ जी फंक्शन. ओके. फॉर एग्जांपल ए बी सी 1 2 3 एक्स वाई जेड. तो यू कैन राइट व्हाट एफ ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 1. 1 is again mapped with x. G of 1 is x. Right? So f of g will be f of g of a will be x. Okay. F of b is equal to 2. G of 2 is equal to y. So f of g at 2 will be y, right? Sorry, b will be y. Right? So this is called f of g. Note this. Composition of function means what? A function within a function. Yes. F of gx means what? F of gx. Okay. Yes. G of f means what? G of fx. हाँ, यस. तो जब दोनों को मिला देंगे तो एफ ऑफ जी हो जाएगा कंपोजिशन. ओके. तो ए का इमेज है 1. राइट. और 1 का इमेज एक्स. यस. एक प्री इमेज फॉर एक्स वाई जेड. ओके. एनीथिंग 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 हो सकता है. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट इट शुड बी नंबर. कोई सिंबल भी हो सकता है, नंबर भी हो सकता है, बिग लेटर स्मॉल लेटर एनीथिंग. उसको फेच कर ली, कुत्ता भी
ज्यादा चटनी पड़ेगी।
क्या?
अपना वीडियो बना रखे।
See, mm, two functions are given. One is fx and second is gx, right? We have to find f of g and g of f. So first we are finding f of g, f of gx, right? F of gx means what? F of gx. You can write this. What is the value of gx? x plus 2. तो यहाँ मैं x plus 2 रख दूंगा. Why? Because this is the value of gx. Understood? fx is what? X square. Then fx plus 2 will be x plus 2 whole square. Right now? Because x plus 2 is replaced here, then you can also replace here. Understood? अगर यहाँ fx का वैल्यू है, यहाँ मैं x plus 2 रखूंगा तो यहाँ भी रखना पड़ेगा ना. Yes. Yes. This is f of g. But you have to find f of g2. मतलब x का वैल्यू क्या है? 2. Right? 16 is the answer. So f of g2 is what? 16. Now we will find g of f. G of fx. G of fx means like this. Okay? What is the value of fx? Put here. Right? And gx is what? X plus 2. Then gx square will be whole square, right? No, no, no. X square plus 2. Right now? But you have to find what? G of f2. 2 square plus 2. That is 6. Because whenever you replace x with x square, only this will be replaced, not whole terms, right? If you replace here t, then t is replaced. If you y, then y is replaced. If you replace x square, then x square will be replaced, right? Understood? Yes. बिकॉज x इज रिप्लेस बाई x+2। तो इसको हटाकर पूरा x+2 रखोगे तो x+2 होल स्क्वायर, राइट। द होल x इज रिप्लेस्ड बाई x+2। ठीक, हियर x को हटा के मैंने क्या रखा, x+2 रखा ना। इधर x को हटा के क्या रखा, x² रखा। अंडरस्टूड। यस। See, you have x+2. You have to find x+2. But you have given what? F of x. अगर x को हटा के मैं x+2 रखूंगा तो यहाँ भी x+2 रखना पड़ेगा, राइट। ओके। एंड इन दिस केस यहाँ x को हटा के क्या रखना है, x² रखना है ना। तो हियर x इज देयर, ओनली x²। इसको हटा के x² रखूंगा, नॉट होल टर्म विल बी स्क्वायर, राइट। व्हाट इज f of g? F of g means f and inside gx. What is gx? 2x plus 1, right? तो x को हटा के क्या रखूंगा, 2x+1। तो यहाँ भी x को हटा के क्या रखूंगा, 2x+1, राइट। यू अंडरस्टूड। मुझे जाना है फंक्शन एफ के पास एंड रिप्लेस एक्स विथ 2x+1. The whole x will replaced by 2x+1. So here 2x+1 whole square will be there. Right? Understood? Now we are finding g of fx. G of fx means g fx. What is fx? X square. Right? We will go the function g to the function g. And here x square is there. अगर मैं यहाँ x square रखूंगा तो यहाँ भी x square हो जाएगा ना. राइट. अगर मैं इधर रूट एक्स रखूंगा तो इधर भी रूट एक्स हो जाएगा. राइट. इफ यू रिप्लेस एक्स बाई 3 तो यहाँ भी एक्स बाई 3. So whatever you replace here, this will also be replaced. Understood? So finally you are getting 2x square plus 1. Can you tell me, are they both same? Not same. Why? Because this is whole square. This is 2x square plus. Yes. Yes. जब मैं x का वैल्यू 1 रखूंगा तो यहाँ मिलेगा क्या? 3 स्क्वायर 9. यहाँ मिलेगा 3. अंडरस्टूड? Note this point.